Yeah. Yeah.
So to get started, the first thing you want to do is find a background for your intro. And for mine, I used a green gold marble background. And to find this on Pinterest, you have to search for a green background aesthetic, then scroll up till you find it. After finding a background for your intro, the next thing you want to do is cut that background into the YouTube video size, which is 16:9. And to do this, I always use an app called the Ultimate Thumbnail app. So the next thing I did after cutting out my background is to blur the background out using the PixArt app. It's important to blur out your background so your background doesn't interfere with other things you'll be adding on that background. So after blurring out your background image, you also want to prepare the photos you'll be using for the intro. And to do this, I use the PixArt app. Basically, what I did here was I cut out the unimportant part from the photos and then I added the shadow effects to the photos. So after we have our background and the photos for the intro in place, the next thing we'll be doing is we'll go into the KineMaster app to put together our intro. So when you open the KineMaster app, it takes you directly to your phone's gallery where you pick the background for the intro. Next, I click on the layer tool right here. Then pick the pictures I already prepared for the intros and arrange them on the background. After arranging the photos on the background, I moved on to add the pop animation effect on each of the photos. To add the pop animation effect on the first photo, I'm going to click on the first photo right here, then in animation, then click on pop. That's it. Then for the second photo, I'm just gonna drag it a bit to the back before I repeat the process I did for the first photo. And for the last photo, I repeated the whole process again. So this is what the intro looks like right now. So at this point, I added the music I'll be using for the intro, just so that I could make sure the editing matches the music I wanted to use for the intro. Next, I added text to the intro by clicking on the layout tool, then on text. After adding the text, I also added the pop animation effect on each of the texts. Next thing I did here was I cut the intro at the end of the last picture so I could do the second part of the intro. So for the final part of the intro, which is adding the subscribe button to the intro, I'll go into the YouTube app and search for a subscribe button green screen. So after finding the subscribe button green screen you would like to use, click on the share button, then copy the link. Go to Y2Mate website to download the video to your phone's gallery. After downloading the green screen, go back to the KineMaster and import it to your intro. Then at the right side of the screen, scroll till you find the chroma key. Lastly, I adjusted the subscribe button to rhyme with the intro, then I muted the sound from the subscribe button.